Hey, good evening, everybody. Well, let's start with some serious stuff because we do have red flag warnings. Believe it, here we go again. More red flag warnings up. This won't be a long duration one, but it's here beginning tomorrow morning about 4 o'clock through about 6 to 7 o'clock throughout the area. It's going to come down at different times. Just suffice it to say it's through the entire day tomorrow for all the areas. LA, Ventura County Mountains, the Valley, Santa Monica Mountain Range. That's the Hollywood Hills, Santa Monica, out towards Pepperdine, Malibu. Make sure you're cool up there. Don't park in the streets, I'll tell you, because you got to be able to get fire trucks through in the event of a fire. So that goes into effect. We'll see 35, 45-mile-an-hour winds, but I think we stay below the advisory level. But you can see by tomorrow morning, that's when they're the strongest, mid-20s or so from Santa Clarita out to Oxnard. But they'll gust stronger than that, but it's the direction I'm interested in. Immediately, it takes the humidity straight down the tubes. Temperatures come up for us a little bit. Dew point goes down. That's why we're going to roll into this fire danger. But what's I said, it won't be very long. You can see by the time we go to Thursday, we're still offshore. We ease off the gas ever so slightly, and then by Friday, we start to go back onshore as we watch an inside slider start to make its move towards us. So there's the high. Sea breeze and cooler temps was what we ended up with today. But then by tomorrow, the high is going to build in. This low eventually will move in over the weekend. Once that does, that's what changes the direction. And then we'll start to see some coastal fog, maybe some morning overcast on Friday into the weekend. That will cool things down considerably for us. So for tomorrow, Thursday, those are the warmest days. Downtown up to 83. Valleys, mid-80s. The beaches will get up to around 83 on Thursday as that wind compresses. Then we come down Friday into the weekend. We'll start to bring it down ever so slightly for us, still above normal. All in all, dry, though. The IE 83, 85 Thursday. High desert 71 to 74. Mountain 60, 62, 65 on Friday. And then you can see we drop down a little bit as we get into Sunday down to around 49. And then we'll start to rebound as we go Monday and Tuesday. Capiche? Capiche. All right, we'll see y'all tonight at 11 o'clock. See ya.